Hi, I'm Andrew Lair with the Sure Sales Group at Berkshire Hathaway, and welcome to my new listing in the popular Highland Town community. I'm at 212 South Bouldin Street, a nearly 14-foot wide, completely updated home featuring 3 finished levels, off-street parking, 2-tier rooftop deck, an enormous oversized kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and so much more. Let's come take a look. So if you have any questions about this home, feel free to reach out to me or anyone on the Sure Sales Group. All of this home for under $400,000, off-street parking, nearly 2,000 square feet, an incredible value here in the Patterson Park area. Thanks for taking a look.